Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are tired of inconsistent rice that comes out either too mushy or a bit too crunchy, today is the day your kitchen routine changes forever. We are taking a deep dive into the CUCKOO high-pressure induction heating rice cooker, model CRP-JHR0609F. This is not just a standard pot that sits on your counter. This is a heavy-duty, tech-forward appliance designed for people who take their grains seriously. Let us start with the core technology. The standout feature here is the induction heating. Unlike traditional rice cookers that use a heating plate at the bottom, this unit uses magnetic induction to heat the entire inner pot. This results in much more uniform cooking and faster results. When you combine that with the industry-leading 29 psi pressure level, you're looking at a machine that forces heat deep into the grain. The result is consistently fluffy rice that feels like it came from a professional restaurant kitchen. Capacity-wise, this is a 6-cup uncooked model, which translates to 12 cups once cooked. This is the perfect sweet spot for families or anyone who enjoys meal prepping for the week ahead. It is compact enough to fit comfortably on most countertops, yet powerful enough to handle a housewarming dinner party without breaking a sweat. Now, let us talk about the versatility. This machine comes with 16 different menu options. You have your standard white and glutinous rice settings, but it really shines with brown rice, GABA rice, and the specific nutritious rice modes. It even has a setting for new rung G, which is that delicious crispy scorched rice layer that many people love. Because it operates as a multi-cooker, you are not just limited to grains. You can use this for various pressure cooking tasks, and it even includes a stainless steel steam plate for vegetables or dumplings. I also appreciate the user experience features. The voice guide is a fantastic addition if you are busy moving around the kitchen and cannot keep your eyes on the digital display. The build quality feels incredibly premium, fitting the price point of a high-end kitchen appliance. However, no product is perfect. One thing to consider is that because this is a high-pressure induction cooker, the initial learning curve is slightly steeper than a basic one-button rice cooker. You will want to spend some time reading the manual to understand which pressure settings work best for your specific grain preferences. Additionally, this is an investment piece. It is a premium product, so the price reflects the sophisticated heating technology inside. In conclusion, if you are a rice enthusiast, a health-conscious eater looking to perfect your brown rice, or someone who values durable, high-performance kitchen gear, the CUCKOO CRP-JHR0609F is arguably the gold standard. It elevates the most fundamental part of a meal through sheer engineering excellence. If you are ready to upgrade your kitchen game, you know what to do. Link in the description.